Hell yeah, bro.
First,
No, it's in college,
the perfect avocado.
It's fucking mouth cancer written all over that shit. Oh, yeah, I know. You ever packing zip before, James?
There you go. I didn't hear you.
The thing these kids are doing this day is called a zing.
What's a zing? Was that a zing Cheeto before? I've never done a zing. Those are Cheetos? I don't know what it is.
Man, we got any more scotch on that? This is it.
It's basically like a nicotine packet you put like under your lip. And like your gums where it's absorbing. It's stupid. Nah, I think that's a good thing. I know kids
Almost
like,
got myself.
stick to that shit. Just start doing it. And there's the behind it.
Almost as dumb as this Chinese bake that everybody's on.
Right? Chinese bullshit.
Chinese bullshit is fucking just dumb.
Perfect fucking rolls right here.
Smoke, bro, smoke some fucking herb.
Right?
Stop being a fucking pussy.
What? Right being a pussy.
I'm saying all these kids are smoking this Chinese bullshit.
Yeah, stop fucking smoking.
And smoking this Chinese bullshit.
You're gonna fool no one. I see you got that lip pillow under you.
Smoke fucking smoke.
Here you go, bro. For you, Yusuf.